Have you ever wondered how a tiny baby grows into an adult with trillions of cells? Or how a small cut on your skin magically heals? The secret lies in one incredible process happening inside your body every second. Cell division. Right now, millions of your cells are dividing, creating new cells that help you grow, repair damage, and stay alive. What is cell division? Cell division is the process by which a parent cell divides to produce new cells. Think of a cell as a factory. When the factory gets too large or old, it creates a copy of itself and splits into two new factories. This process helps organisms grow, repair damaged tissues, replace old cells, reproduce. Without cell division, life would simply stop. Before division, DNA must be copied. Before a cell divides, it must copy its DNA. DNA is like an instruction manual containing all the information needed to build and operate the cell. If a cell divided without copying its DNA, one of the new cells would miss important instructions. So first, the DNA makes an exact copy of itself. Now the cell is ready to divide. The cell cycle. A cell doesn't divide randomly. It follows a carefully planned sequence called the cell cycle. The cell cycle has two main stages. 1. Interphase. The cell grows, performs its normal functions, and copies its DNA. 2. Division phase. The cell divides into new cells. Most of a cell's life is actually spent in interphase preparing for division. Mitosis. Making identical cells. The most common type of cell division is mitosis. Mitosis produces two genetically identical daughter cells. This is how your body grows and repairs itself. Mitosis occurs in four main stages. Prophase. Chromosomes become visible. The nuclear membrane starts breaking down. Spindle fibers begin to form. Think of it as preparing the stage before a performance. Metaphase. Chromosomes line up in the center of the cell. The spindle fibers attach to them. Everything is perfectly arranged. Anaphase. The duplicated chromosomes separate. One copy moves to each side of the cell. It's like splitting a deck of cards equally into two piles. Telophase. New nuclei form around the separated chromosomes. The cell prepares to split completely. Cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divides. One cell finally becomes two separate cells. Mission accomplished. Why don't you look exactly like your brother or sister? Why is every human being unique? The answer lies in a fascinating process happening inside our bodies called meiosis. Meiosis occurs in two rounds of division, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Let's start with meiosis 1. Prophase 1. This is the most important stage. Homologous chromosomes, one from the mother and one from the father, pair up. Then something incredible happens, crossing over. Chromosomes exchange small pieces of DNA. Metaphase 1. The paired chromosomes line up at the center of the cell. Anaphase 1. The chromosome pairs separate and move to opposite sides. Telophase 1 and cytokinesis. The cell divides into two cells. Each cell now contains half the original chromosome number. Meiosis 2. The separation division. Next comes meiosis 2. This stage is very similar to mitosis. Prophase 2. New spindle fibers form. Metaphase 2. Chromosomes line up in the middle. Anaphase 2. The sister chromatids finally separate and move to opposite poles. Telophase 2 and cytokinesis. The cells divide once again. The result? One original cell has now produced 4 daughter cells. Each cell contains only 23 chromosomes and is genetically unique. Every second, millions of cells in your body divide perfectly without you even noticing. From growth and healing to reproduction, cell division makes life possible. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MedMind by Rehna for more fascinating biology lessons. See you in the next episode.